What's going on again, world? I got something brand new again today. This time I got the K-bar short, arrived just now, and now on to Blade HQ. It's been a while again, so arrived just now. I'm very excited again once more. So here it is. I just came in. I'm super excited. So here it is. Arrived on time. All right, let's see what we have here. My first time getting a K-bar short, and been a big while again. All right, so here it is. Let's see how you open this. All right. See how this goes. Like this. That. Okay, one more. All right, give me a few seconds here. All right, almost there. Okay, just put it on right here. Hold on. Hold on a second. All right, almost there. There we go. And here it is. Here's what I got today. All right, put the box right there. Looks like I got a sticker right here. Hold on, let's have a good be here. All right, so this is what I got. Let's see what we have. Make sure it's in good shape. Oh, okay, here it is. I got the keyboard short here. Hold on, let me just take it out of the box. All right, so yeah, your usual. Yeah, your usual. Oh, your usual brochure. Okay, let's put this aside for now. Let's see the main part right here. So here it is. Here's the keyboard short that I got. Put the sheet right there for a minute. All right, so here it is. Hold on. Let's get a good focus and view here. So this is it. Hold on. Here we go. All right. This is what I got from Bladehq today. Yeah, so this is the K-bar short. So this is the 9 inches overall. Yeah, it's in good shape. Yes, this is the plain edge, just the way I want it. Right there. Arrived just now. It's sharp. It's not razor sharp. Yeah, it came in just sharp. But yes, yeah, this is a much smaller version right here. Fits suits me a lot better. So this one I got it on Bladehq for about $80. That's how much I got it for. It was like 70 plus shipping. All right, put it right there for now. So here's the sheath right here. Let's see. Here's the sheath. Yeah. Let's put it in. I'll just put it in halfway. All right, hold on. Oh, it's brand new. All right, give me a little time here. It's kind of tight. Yeah. Well, yeah. All right, so this is what I got. The K-bar short. My first time getting this. Guys, will be my fifth K-bar. Whoa. Wow, I haven't got a K-bar in a while. The last time I got a K-bar was like 5 years ago. So, yeah, my first time getting a K-bar in like 5 years. I still have my other ones. So here it is. This is what I got from Bladehq. Awesome. Arrived just now. Yeah, got it for a decent price for about 70 plus shipping. So that's about over $80. It's worth the money. Also, suits me better. Also, the best thing about this, yeah, this is for the smaller hands only. Yes, it's brand new, out of the box. Very excited again. Got my money's worth. I got the the leather sheath version. All right, let's show you again up close. Yep, this will be my fifth K-bar. It's been a while. It's been a while since I got one of these. Yes, I still have my other K-bars. Hold on, let's get a good focus and view here. So this is what I got. This is a 9 inches overall. Yes, they do have a short version. Yes, this is for people with smaller hands. All right, let's take it out again. All right, so this is it. The K-bar short. Yeah, this suits me a lot better than the full size. Yeah, this is for the smaller hands. It came in sharp. It didn't come in razor sharp. So that's the only downside to this one. Yeah, yeah, it didn't come in like razor sharp. But no problem. It can be sharpened. No problem at all. But yes, I'm satisfied with my purchase again. Yeah, I have to say this one suits me a lot better than the full size. So yeah, my first K-bar in wow, like in 5 years. I haven't got a K-bar in a while. Yeah, I still have my other ones, and it's still in great shape. I got them a long time ago, but yep, I still have them. Yep, yeah, I have to say this one suits me a lot better. Yeah, fits nice in the hand. Okay, so the usual recommendation, yeah, for about 80, for about over $70. That's $80 altogether plus shipping. Yep, it's worth buying again. And yeah, this is for like people with smaller hands like me. And there we go. That's what I got from Bladehq. It's been a while too. Yes, this will be my fifth K-bar. So yeah, this is for like for smaller hands or a good backup, depending your size of your hand. All right, so here's the box. The usual. And what is this, by the way? And I got a sticker here. That's good. There you go. Got a nice sticker there. All right, let's look at it again one more time. So yes, guys, this is what I got. The K-bar short suits me better. Suits me a lot than the full size. Yeah, this is over 9 inches overall. Suits me perfectly. Oh, my first K-bar in like wow 5 years. It's been that long. All right, let's look at it again one more time. All right, there you go. The sheet right there. Just put it right there. All right, so this is it. Yep, I'm satisfied with my purchase again. It didn't come in like razor sharp though. That's fine. Yeah, 9 inches overall. And also, K-bar is one of my favorite brands as well. All right, so and I got the sheath here. Yeah, as always, they come in different styles, different sizes. There you go. All right, put it back. Yeah, just put it in halfway. Yeah, it's brand new. Hold on, like that. There we go. Oh, yeah, it's brand new. It's gonna take some time to get used to. All right, so this is what I got, the K-bar short. All right, so this is it. Brand new out of the box. Yes, again, 9 inches overall. All right, just put it there. All right, so there you go. I gave you a good, yeah, I gave you a good unboxing review on the K-bar short that I got on Bladehq. Yes, I'm satisfied with my purchase once more. So again, I got my money's worth here for about over $70. No problem at all. Didn't come in like razor sharp though, but no problem. But yes, my first K-bar wow in a long time. So this will be my fifth K-bar knife in a while. So okay, so let me know what you think again, and thanks for watching.